Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Wi-Fi QR code on your iPhone. To begin, locate the Wi-Fi QR code you wish to use. It might be on a router, a sign, or a printed sheet. Then open the camera application on your iPhone, just as you would to take a picture. Hold your phone steady, pointing its camera directly at the QR code, ensuring the entire code is visible within the frame. Your iPhone is designed to recognize these codes instantly, making connection incredibly straightforward. After your iPhone successfully scans the QR code, a banner notification will appear prominently at the very top of your screen. This small notification will display the network name, often referred to as the SSID, and present an option to join. Simply tap on the Join button within that banner. Your iPhone will then automatically connect to the Wi-Fi network without you needing to manually type a password, saving you several moments of effort. Occasionally, your iPhone might have trouble scanning a QR code, but there are simple fixes. First, double-check that your iPhone's camera lens is perfectly clean, as smudges can obscure the code. Good lighting is also crucial. Ensure the QR code is well lit and not in shadow. If it still doesn't scan, try moving slightly closer or further away, or restart your camera application. Remember, if all else fails, you can always connect to the network by entering the password manually through your settings. Using Wi-Fi QR codes offers significant benefits for both convenience and security. You no longer need to remember or laboriously type out long, complex passwords, which greatly reduces the chance of errors. It's an incredibly efficient way for visitors to connect to your home or business network, taking only a few seconds. Ultimately, scanning a QR code is a very quick, secure, and user-friendly method to gain immediate access to any available Wi-Fi network, simplifying your digital life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.